Dude, don't fucking take it off in the damn rain.
I got a cleaning kit. Brother, welcome back to Charlotte.
We have in this. We in there, baby. It's a brand new day. Sit down, brother.
Nice. Anyway.
What, brother? Ooh, that's cool.
After you.
No, that's cool. Go ahead. Dude, you just go do your thing.
Oh my god. Probably drop that ISO. Bro, let me show you the power of background compression. So, stand right on this line and like face over yonder. Know what I'm saying? No, you're good right there. Yeah, man, I might need to get real far back. Turn to your side. Nice. Look at those, bro.
Oh, that's tits. That's tit now. Yeah, you're gonna have to send me that. Alright, dude, I'm gonna take a picture of these. Don't fucking make fun of me either. Bro, are you fucking joking, dude? Look at that. Titting out, baby. Oh, dude, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that was zesty, bro. Look, bro, the trolley's coming through, dog. Oof, wait, dude.
You see my wife, bro?
Were you at the fucking jaywalk?
Yeah. Bro, she's jaywalking. I can't fucking jaywalk.
Oh well.
Jay. Dude, if they're not open, I'm gonna cry. And it looks like they're not open. We are closed. We will be back Saturday the 25th.
Damn it.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Me too. We're gonna have to settle for McDonald's.
Dude, you kind of like Josh a little bit, didn't you?
A little bit.
I'm about to put my damn jacket. Tits. Oh my god, do you see how tits that is? You wanna show the camera? Look.
Yeah, I got you.
Look. Titting out. Look at that, bro. Look at all the fucking fibers. Dude, I think I could be a professional photographer.
Oh, let me get this. Let me get this moped just parked outside all the time. Oh, come on, clear. Nice.
Just stay, no, dude, stay out there. Act like you're taking a picture again. I'm gonna take a picture of you taking a picture.
Picture of me taking a picture?
Huh?
Bro, I'm gonna get a picture of you taking a picture.
Of me taking a picture of you.
Bro, get a picture. Hold on, get a picture of you taking a picture of me taking a picture.
Oh, dude, it's actually pretty good.
Oh, dude, banger.
It's actually pretty good.
Oh, dude, totally like Tinder-worthy or whatever.
I don't know why. See, I feel like, get it. Oh, dude, you missed your fucking.
No, these are city birds. Are
Dude,
you trying to call the bird?
I got a thing for trash cans.
Brother loves trash cans.
I mean, it's pretty dope.
Hell yeah. A little dark.
Bro, I like dark. Quit fucking taking them off.
See, swap.
I don't know if it's long enough. Might have to use a phone. I don't think mine's
brother.
cracked. It's not gonna work.
All natural puddles.
Go ahead.
Alright, we're swapping cameras for a second. Alright, we'll see how those go.
I want to see it.
I'll turn your camera
Why
off.
you turn it off? Leave it on.
Because I'm conserving battery,
Dude,
dog.
fuck all that. It looked good, dude. It looked good.
Let's take pics of random people. Oh yeah, brother. Oh.
Dude, I fucking love it. I don't know why I love it so much, but I honestly.
You like the macro shit?
Yeah, dude, I do like the macro.
Umbrella. Brother, umbrellas are like a famous part of photography. Brother, what is blood doing?
What?
What is blood doing?
Is that what they're saying? I gotta get a holiday photo.
Oh,
Don't
God.
put it on the interweb. It's gotta be good. It's Christmas time. You gotta have a theme, dude.
Yeah, there's a giant ornament down there. You see it?
Yeah, but that's too big. Too damn big.
Nah,
dude.
brother, I think you just hating.
Ooh,
Oh, dude,
yeah.
look at the little sparkly fucking dude.
Damn, brother. See, you just got too damn much going on with that thing.
Nah.
You should try and get the Duke energy thing. I don't know if you can, but.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Point is straight up towards the rain.
You could hit that reflection. I just can't.
We'll try that. Awesome. Brother, I don't
This is the fucking best picture. Look, hold on. Come stand.
Oh, him standing like in between the buildings?
Just bro. Just bro. Just bro. Dude, look, you got the cathedral. It's
Right.
making a triangle, right? You got another triangle with the 3 buildings, and then you got a bigger triangle with 2. Dude, this is amazing.
So what you're saying is the Illuminati
Bro,
exists?
this is
The Illuminati.
this is giving me a fucking chill, dude. Just fucking looking at this. This looks awesome.
Okay.
But it's gotta be dark.
This motherfucker hella tall.
Tits lens, huh? Tits lens. Let's get my mustache hairs. Let me just look at you. Get my mustache. How'd it look? Good? Look pretty good? You know what I'm saying?
Aye.
Ominous. I'm taking credit for it.
Okay.
Bro, you fucking gorgeous, son. See, I don't ever mess with this though. Because I thought I can control it with the dial.
Bro,
I bet you can see the pores on my nose, can't you?
Yeah.
Does it look crazy as fuck?
You're putting those in, bro.
Damn, dude. Dude, that's a fuck, dude. That's award winning right there, bro. Oh, that's cool. Dude, don't fucking take it off in the damn rain.
I got a cleaning kit. Oh no, it's not. Okay. There
You
go, brother.
scare me, bro. You scared me.
I've just been doing this
Dude,
too damn long.
Bro,
Bro, I already got pictures of it on my Instagram.
that looks so good, don't it?
Also, if you guys want to see the pictures, it's Andrew ARW.
fucking-
And,
Hello, you there? Right there.
And what's your Instagram?
Andy Roo Hall, baby. ANDYROO.
Yeah, go follow.
Oh, good. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know if I like it. It's kind of
I mean,
weird.
if you
It's
don't
not
like
what
it-
I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I think.
Can you guys take a picture of us?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. This side.
I got this big ass camera here.
This side or that side?
I'll hold your camera.
No, I'll hold your camera.
He's gonna
Bro,
take it in.
so I can't take this whole thing off.
I got you, bro. No worries.
There you
Hey,
go.
man, I got.
Okay.
Hang on this side, I guess. We're from Texas. So
Oh.
nice and cool here. Short people in front. Shane, what else?
You guys ready?
Can't even see Sanaa. Go behind us. Straight up. Can you come on this side? Yep.
3, 2, 1. There you go.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
No
it,
problem.
guys. Thanks.
You guys have a good day. All right. try it. Oh yeah, brother?
You like it?
Oh yeah?
Oh, you're going in there.
I'm going in there. Oh, fuck me, dude. So Christmassy. Turn around, turn around. Hold up. 1 second. Wait. 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 Oh, that's lit. That's lit, brother. Go stand over there.
What?
Go stand over there.
Go stand where? In the dip?
Yeah, yeah. That's good. You're good.
Right here?
Yeah.
Facing you?
No, face away. Yeah. Oh. Oof.
Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Kind of a weak puddle, but still better than nothing, I guess. Here, come focus on like these raindrops, dude.
What?
Focus on these raindrops, dude.
Looking through?
Yeah. Or no. Just focus on the raindrops and have everything else blurred out in the background. Yeah.
What's that?
Brother.
Ow, fuck! Man, you know what I say? Dude, my hair, oh dude, am I kind of, hold on, what do I look like?
Kind of look like one of them.
Street photographers? Let's go.
Okay.
I love the geometry.
I know.
Dude, my battery must be real good because I was on 80, now I'm on 62. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't even remember what mine was on. Oh, we at 96.
You use 4%.
I used 4%.
Trying to take a picture of it, didn't work.
Nice. Dude, that pretty epic.